going to bed.
Oh, did I upset you?
Find my menu.
Okay.
Dropped my shit on the floor. What kind of shit? I would never drop anything of yours on the floor.
You just put a post-it on my forehead, okay? I wouldn't be talking.
Oh, look. Your red bow thingies are on the floor.
See?
You did that with your hyperness.
Oh my God. It's not hyperness, it's deliriousness.
I swear to God, if this bitch say they're closed.
Don't mess with us, you know, we're just tired and hungry.
I'm gonna go down there and be like, oh, bitch.
No, you won't, because you don't want to walk.
I will call and leave a recorded message. Hello? Hi, is it too late to order a delivery? For a delivery? Oh, fantastic. Okay. I would like some cheese sticks. Sure. 925 301 5643.
Give me your Bay Area number.
301 5643. Azima?